Alright, good afternoon, Mr. Cawthorn. This is Eric Daniels, and this is my video for the week for week 1 to show you what I have accomplished. So as you can see here in PyCharm, I have the print hello world code set, and I can show you that I have gotten that to run successfully. And there it is, finished hello world. I'll show you that I have verified that I have downloaded Python properly. I'll just do the hello world code once again. And as you can see, that is also functioning properly. And I will show you my notes for the week. This is my first set of notes. And then I also have notes from the Python tutorial straight from the Python website, in which you sent us a link to. And that should just about do it. Thank you. This is my video for the week.